Sharma, and my co-host.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Aanchal, the co-host of your today's Brain Buzz game. And the good thing about science is that it is true whether you believe it or not. And today, on behalf of AAPG Student Chapter Department of Geology, Panjab University, we invite you to discover the colors of this event and embellish us all together. And it's my great pleasure and first and foremost duty to explain you the rules of our game. So the rules of the games are that the game Brain Buzz will have 4 rounds with 5 questions each, and in 5 questions you will be given 3 clues for each question. And for the first clues, and depending on the clues you guess the answer, you will be pointed as 20, 10, and 5 marks. And yeah, which will be given one by one, and they will have a time limit for 10 seconds each. And the first team to write their team number in the chat box will get to answer the question, and the process will be repeated for the each clue. And if you guess the answer using the first clue, you will be awarded with 20 points. If not, but the second clue, you will be awarded with 10 points, and with the third clue you'll be awarded with 5 points. And only those who will write the team numbers will be allowed to answer. If not, it can lead to your disqualification or your deduction of marks. If you answer the wrong question, you will be deducted with -2, and 2 marks will be deducted for the every wrong answer, and 0 marks will be given for every unanswered. So be sure that you are answering the correct answer, like guessing the answer properly and then answering. And you participants, we request you not to speak and to turn your videos on, as it can distract other people. And those who are working in the teams, they can discuss it among themselves, but please don't discuss on the chat box. Please discuss within yourself, your some WhatsApp or any other platform. And spamming will also lead to disqualification for the first round, and violation of any rule will be will can lead to disqualification, and the team will be removed ASAP. And the participant with maximum point will end at the end will win. So that is it for the rules. If you have any questions or any queries, please ask so that it does not lead you to disqualification. Anyone have any queries?
You can turn on your mics and ask any queries if there are. Please don't hesitate.
Uh, I can read Muhammad Almas Riaz. You have to give the answer. You know, you have. We will ask you to turn your mic on, and you just have to write your name and team number in the chat box, and then we will allow to turn your mic on, and then you can answer. Please don't spam, or please don't correct the
Ma'am,
right answer in the chat box.
excuse me, excuse
Yeah.
me. We will get 10 seconds after opening our mic or beneath, before it.
Sorry, I couldn't get you.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
every clue will be displayed for 10 seconds, and you can just in the meantime, while the 10 seconds are going on, you can write your team number. If you know the answer, then you can write your team number in the chat box, and then you can answer. I'll explain it better by giving you an example.
We have a
Like,
sample question for you
that's
guys.
the question for you all. Signa, would you like to answer?
Right. Just give me a minute. So I think
Yeah, so that's how it works. She couldn't guess the answer, so the time was up. Suppose this is the sample question and this is the first clue. If you guess the answer with the first clue, then you will be rewarded with 20 points. If not, then we will go to the second clue, and if the team says that this team's no, team number A, yeah, team number B knows the answer, then they can write in the chat box, and after that they can answer. Suppose I couldn't guess it within 10 seconds with it in the first clue, so they showed me the second clue. If I guess this answer, so I'll be rewarded with 10 points. If I give the wrong answer, then minus 2 will be deducted from my total marks. And if still I am not able to give the answer, so then I'll go to the third clue, which will also be displayed for 10 seconds. And I can see that there is a blue sky. So if I am here to like link all those clues together, then the first is the prism, and the second was IISc Bangalore, and the third one is the blue sky. So we all know that the blue sky, why the sky is blue, is the famous theory of the Raman effect. And we know it's National Science Day. So National Science Days, we celebrate all over India with great enthusiasm, which we are celebrating today, and on which we have kept this conducting this quiz. So yeah, this is the Raman effect, which shows that the scattering of light, and the scientist C.V. Raman was from IISc Bangalore. He was the chairman of IISc Bangalore, and the third clue was that he was the famous question was the why the sky is blue while he was traveling from the ship to other country. So that's how you have to link your answer. If you could have guessed it from the first clue, then you would be rewarded with 20 points. If not, then the second clue, you will be rewarded with 10 points. If not, then the third clue, you will be rewarded with 5 points. So we have divided the levels in the scientist group, like round one, round two, round three, and round four. The round one is all about scientists. You have to just guess the scientist by seeing the clues. And in round two, you have to guess the instruments by seeing the clues. In round three, you have to guess the experiments which you have done in physics or chemistry or whatever. You have to guess the experiments in third round. And in fourth round, which is personally my favorite, will be the movies round, in which you have to guess the movies by seeing the clues. So, shall we start? If there's no query.
Yeah, if there are still any doubts, please ask.
Yeah, we don't want you to lose your points or any kind of disqualification. I guess, Snigna, I guess they're all clear, so we can start it. So,
Here comes the first round for you guys. And now you will be shown the first clue for your first question.
Time starts now. Time's up.
Galileo Galilei.
I'm sorry, but your answer is wrong. It can lead to disqualification.
The
This
time
is the
starts
second
now.
clue. Yeah, 10 seconds timer starts now. If anyone knows,
Time's up.
please. Okay, that's 12.
Scattering of it's Ramanujan.
Sorry, Amog. You said Ramanujan or scattering of light. Please be sure.
Ramanujan, I said.
Okay, in both the cases, your answer is
Wrong.
Wrong. This is the
Your
last
time
clue.
starts now.
This is really easy. Please, team 20. Team 20, please turn on your mic.
Your time starts.
Yes. The answer is Isaac Newton. Um, yes, Abdul.
I have written my team number 22 before team number 20, but you have, sir, after clue 2 I have written team 22, but you have taken a new name.
Yeah, we were done with those 10 seconds.
Okay.
I'll give you a tip. Just write your team number, and if you know the answer, just press enter. In time, in the meantime, like when you're given 10 seconds, if you know the answer after seeing the clue, then just press enter. And
It's compulsory to give the name of the scientist.
yeah,
Yes,
this is the
because it is
first round.
the yes, and you have to identify the scientists in this round.
Okay, okay, I got it. Okay, yes.
So, shall we move to question number two? I hope you must have understood by now.
Your
So,
time
this is your
starts now.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
yes, the answer is correct, and you have been rewarded with 20 points. He is the missile man of India. Can we see the next clues, please? He wrote the book Wings of Fire and Turning Points, and at the end, his famous quote, which is "सपने वो नहीं हैं जो आपको नींद में दिखें, सपने वो हैं जो आपको नींद ही ना आने दें." That's the famous quote by APJ Abdul Kalam, and he was the missile man of India. So yes, you have been rewarded with 20 points. Team number 20.
Your time starts now.
Stephen Hopkins.
No, unfortunately, the answer is wrong.
Your time starts now.
Benjamin
Just a minute.
Franklin.
It's Akshay, sorry. It's team 20, not team 7.
Excuse me.
Benjamin Franklin.
Actually, we had
I
already
had
typed
already
that
tried
in the first round only.
in the first clue that you had given. Benjamin Franklin.
Yeah, that's the correct answer, and you have been rewarded with 15 points. And we see the last clue, please, for this question? That's the Benjamin Franklin on United States of America on $100. So that was the last clue. So now can we move to the
Your time starts now.
just if we have okay.
Your time's
Thomas
up.
Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison.
Just
Just a minute,
uh,
please. Just a minute. Uh,
we have Radhika Yadav. Okay, I'm sorry, Radhika, but your time 10 seconds time was up, so that's why you were not able to answer. And Team 20 wrote at first place in those 10
we've
second
already
meantime.
we've already told you guys that the moment the next clue is shown, you have to retype your team name.
Yes.
So it restarts again. The cycle goes on from the beginning. Please keep in mind, we've already told you.
So these were the rest clues of Thomas Alva Edison, his famous instruments which he used. And now this is the last question of this round, guys. So please be
Time starts
choose one of
now.
the first clue.
Periodic table जो है Mendeleev.
No, it's incorrect. I'm sorry, but it's incorrect. Not it's not periodic table, but it is radium and polonium. Here it is written.
Time starts now.
Mary
Ex-
Piri Curie.
Yes, the answer is correct. It is Marie Curie, and you have been awarded with 15 points. If not, we can start and go ahead with the instruments round. I would request Signa to please take over and just host this round.
Sure, I will. Thank you.
So in the meantime, we are calculating the scores and then we will move to the next round.
Your time starts now.
Okay, so this is the clue for question number 1.
Time's up.
So I guess there were no guesses for this one. Can we please get clue number 2 on screen?
Time starts now.
Team 18, please turn on your mic.
Team 18, do we get an answer from you?
Jagriti Sharma, please turn on your mic.
GM counter.
No, that's incorrect. Can we please get clue number 3 on screen?
Time starts now. Time's up.
So I see that there were no guesses for this question. This is the clue. Can we please show the clues again? I would like to explain. So the answer for this question was microscope, and these are various parts of the microscope. Clue number 1. Clue
This
number
is the
2 is the
simple
glass
question.
eye, and clue number 3. This is an image of how you see objects under the microscope. Can you please now have question number 2?
Your time starts now.
Sir, lens is convex and concave lens.
Sorry, that is the wrong answer. Clue number 2 on the screen, please.
Time starts now.
Team 18.
18. Telescope.
Yes, that is the correct answer, and you will be awarded with 15 points for this answer. Can we see the next clue also, please? So this is the scientist who built the telescope, who made the modern telescope. And now we have question number 3 on screen for you.
Your time starts now. Time's up.
Seismometer.
I'm sorry, can you please repeat?
Seismometer.
Yes, it is the seismograph. This is the correct answer. Can we see the other clues also? So this is John Miller, the scientist who made it, and we have another clue, clue number 3.
This is
That
the
we
earthquake.
this type, not perfect, right? Now we have question number 4 for you.
Time starts now. Time's up.
Camera.
No, I'm afraid this is the wrong answer. Can you show the next clue, please?
Time starts now. Time's up. Time's up.
Vernier caliper.
This is the correct answer. Yes, you are given 15 points for this answer.
Okay.
Can you show the next clue also, please? So this is Pierre Vernier, the scientist who made vernier caliper. And now we have the last and the final question for this round. Question number 5.
Time starts now.
This is your first clue on the screen.
Time's up.
So there were no guesses for this round. Can we have the clue number two?
Time starts now.
Team 22.
AC and DC current,
Sorry?
alternating and direct current experiment.
No, this is the wrong answer. You
AC
have
and
to please.
Ma'am, dynamo.
No, this is the wrong answer. Can we please have clue number three on screen?
Your time starts now.
It's team
Team seven.
7. Team 7.
It is electric motor.
Right. You will be given
Okay.
5 points for this answer. And now I would like to ask my co-host Akansha to please take over for this round.
Thank you so much, Snigdha. So this is the last round. So this is the third round in which we have experiments. You have to guess the experiment's name and by seeing the clues. And can we have the first clue, please? It's
Your
okay.
time
The
starts now.
Your time starts now.
team 20. Please.
Rutherford alpha ray stacking experiment.
Yes, your answer is completely correct, and you are awarded with 20 points. Thank you so much, Kashish. So can we see the next clues, please, for this question? Yeah, this is the alpha ray scattering, and in clue third we have the gold plate, the famous experiment of Rutherford, alpha particle scattering. And so the answer was Rutherford alpha particle scattering. And can we move to the second question, please? Clue one.
Your
So,
time starts now.
team 20.
Photoelectric effect by Einstein.
Yes, this is correct. This is a photoelectric effect, and this is the equation. And can we see the clue 2 and clue 3, please? This is the emission of electric rays, in which we can see that light rays emit the electronic electron emission. And in clue 3, we have the equation and Planck's constant and frequency of radiation. And thank you so much, Team 20. And this is the question 3 and clue 1. And your time starts now. Team 7.
Time's up.
Team 7.
Genetics experiment on genetics. This is Gregor Mendel.
Experiment on genetics.
Yes, he was Mendel.
Okay, your answer is correct. It was Mendel's law of inheritance. And in clue 2, we can we see the P model and the hybrid and all those chromosomes. I'm not a biology student, so just I know. So yeah, this is the model of inheritance and law of inheritance, how they hybrid and things. Can we move to question 4, please? Thank you so much. And this is the clue 1. Your time starts. Parul, team number 7.
Archimedes principle buoyancy experiment.
Yes, this is correct. And it was Archimedes principle. Can we see the clue 2 and clue 3, please? The Archimedes and clue 3, the buoyant force and the Archimedes principle, how the water is displayed. Okay, Pratishtha.
Your time starts now. Time's up.
Refraction, ma'am.
Name the experiment, please.
Magnification.
Teammate.
Refraction of wave.
I want you guys, please name the experiment or please name the law.
Refraction of wave. Snell's law. Snell's
You
law.
okay? It was okay. She said that it was Snell's law. It is this Snell's law, and
Okay,
so we are
that
back. Snigdha, please take over.
thank you very much. Now we have round 4, and this is your final round, and I'm expecting you guys to please give answers for this round because this is the last moment for you to shine. And now we have round 4 for movies. And can you please have the first question on screen?
Your time starts now.
Mission Mangal.
That is the correct answer. Can you see the other clues also? This is clue number 2, where the team was completely consisted of women. And clue number 3 is the missile, is the rocket that went. And now can we please have question number 2?
Your time starts now.
These are sci-fi movies for you guys too.
Time's up.
Clue number 2, please.
Your time starts now. Time's up.
Clue number 3, please.
Your time starts now.
I guess no one here is fond of science fiction movies.
Time's up.
Since no one was able to guess the answer, this is the movie. This is a movie called Creation. Question number 3. This is your
Your
clue
time
number
starts
1.
now. Time is up.
Clue number 2.
Time starts now.
Team 7, I guess.
Radioactive.
Right, this is the correct answer. The movie
Movie
is
name is,
Radioactive.
yeah, it is based on Marie Curie and the tale of love and fallout. And the director was Seth, and it was based on a graphic novel that she didn't write, obviously. So,
And this is the very famous song Radioactive by Imagine Dragons. And now we have question number 4.
Your time starts now. Time's up.
I'm really amazed there were no guesses for this question, for this clue. Can you please get
yeah,
clue
this is
number 2?
really famous movie this was.
Your time starts now.
Dr. Abdul Kalam.
I'm afraid your
This
answer
is
is
not a
wrong.
movie. Clue number 3, please.
Time starts now.
It
A
was
little
Team
dream.
18.
A little dream.
Can you please repeat?
A little dream.
No, I'm afraid this is a wrong answer. The correct answer is this is a movie called I Am Kalam based on the missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And now we have question number 5 on the screen. And I'm expecting,
Time
please
starts
guys,
now.
need answers for this one.
Team
Team
7.
7.
The theory of
Time's
everything.
up.
This is correct. This is the theory of everything. Can you see the other clues also? So this
Based
is
on Stephen
Eddie
Hawking.
Redmayne, who played Stephen Hawking in the movie. This is
Yeah,
the
it was
clue.
the theory of everything, and based on the Stephen Hawking, an excellent astrophysics student working on his research. And yeah, it shows that Hawking was a coxswain on the Oxford rowing team.
That was very wonderful, Akansha. That was a very wonderful piece of knowledge for all of us to know. So with this, we are we have come to the end of the all the rounds, and this is very tense.
Yeah, I would really suggest that you should watch the movie I Am Kalam. It is a story of an intelligent boy who struggles to pursue his dreams and surpass the boundaries of poverty after he befriends the son of a noble family. And he's inspired by the life of India's president at that time, that was APJ Abdul Kalam. And he named himself actually Kalam from Chotu to Kalam. He was that much inspired by him.
It was wonderful hosting you guys today, and we, the co-hosts, me and my co-host Akansha, we would like to take your leave. Please like, follow, share, subscribe, do everything to our channels on all social media pages, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. We would love to see you guys participate in other events that we conduct in the following year that we have.
Okay, that was related to National Science Day. We never mentioned that we are going to do something related to geology or something. So yeah, that was related to only Science Day, not related to our department. Also, we conducted an webinar with our Vice Chancellor and our Professor, Mr. Professor Dr. Rajiv Patnaik. He stated how the Chandigarh was 3 million years ago, and so you can just go and check out how it looked like and what are the fossils which we have found and which are AAPG student chapter, Punjab University, Department of Geology. Thank you so much.